Hello, my little rays of sunshine. How are you all doing out there today? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and today you find me in the Staples parking lot. Here I am in the car. Yes, I'm in the Staples parking lot, but I'm here for a very good reason. I'm actually waiting for a lady to come by. She's going to be stopping in here at the Staples parking lot at 12 o'clock. Because I'm going to buy something interesting from her. I had seen on Facebook Marketplace, which is like a yard sale, so to speak. Everything is secondhand, pretty much. And I had seen on the marketplace there on Facebook that she was selling, well, I won't tell you. I'll wait till I get it in the car. But it's something special and it's something fun for the kitchen. So you guys, hang around and you'll be able to see what kind of special item I'm going to pick up today. Joshua is actually right here beside me and we're waiting together. Yes, we're waiting together, so this is a lot of fun. I'm back in the car, my friends, and I just came in from picking up the special item that I found on Marketplace, and Joshua is actually holding it right now. There's Joshua, and there's the box with the special item in it. What is in the box, Joshua?
An ice cream maker.
An ice cream maker, yes. And although the box is in rough kind of shape, I took a look at the ice cream maker that's inside. And it's actually in beautiful shape, Joshua.
Yeah.
And it's never been used.
Nope.
And it comes with the instructions as well.
Wow.
So needless to say, Joshua and I are going to be having a lot of fun in the kitchen. Yes, we're going to be making some homemade ice cream. That sounds great to me. I've never done it before, but it sounds great. It sounds perfect to me. There's a nice look there, to give everybody an idea of what the ice cream maker looks like. And Josh, you're doing a good job holding that box.
Thank you.
But I think I'll put it back. I think I'll put it in the back seat. How does that sound? I put it in the back seat. Okay, yeah. We're back at home, and here is our lovely ice cream maker. I'm very, very excited. And of course, needless to say, Joshua is really excited about this too. Now, as you can see, the box is in very rough shape. Yes, it is. And I did take a peek in this box earlier, like I mentioned, and it actually does look like it may have been used before, but that's okay. That's okay. My only worry, I think, is I'm hoping this works the way it's supposed to work. It's my first time ordering something off of the Facebook Marketplace, which is like a yard sale. And I always get nervous that I'll pay for something and then bring it home and find out that it doesn't work at all. So fingers crossed, my friends. Let's take a look and see if this actually works. Alrighty, let's take the top off here and take a look inside. That's what it looks like from the top. And the instruction manual is right there, so I'll take that out. And this is a Hamilton Beach ice cream maker. I was told before the sale, before the actual sale, that this had never been used before. But you know me, I'm a curious sort, and I took a few peeks. Before I brought it home. And yes, it does look like it's been used. But that's okay. Here's the plug. We'll plug this in. First, I'll read a little bit from my manual, and then we'll plug it in and see and hope that this works. Here's the manual for the ice cream maker. And here is the ice cream maker itself. As you can see, it looks like it's in beautiful shape. And I'll take the top off here ever so gently. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, we'll take this off. That looks kind of interesting. I'll put that down there ever so carefully. And this is what it looks like inside. It's in pretty good shape, it is. But there's a few marks along the side, inside there, which tell me that this may have been used before. And this needs to be cleaned up, so I'm going to give it a good cleaning. A very, very good cleaning. I'll put this back on. Like that. Being very careful. Okay, I'll set it there like that till I learn a little bit more about it. I have been just reading through this manual, and it's quite easy to understand. Everything's labeled, pictures are all labeled, and they have very easy steps on how to make ice cream with this machine. And according to what I'm reading, it actually takes a couple of days to make ice cream. Day one, I put this part here, is this inside part. This actually comes out. On day one, I have to put this in the freezer, and it stays in the freezer overnight. As well, all of the ingredients get mixed in a bowl. Whoops. Get mixed in a bowl on day one and get put in the fridge, and that stays in the fridge overnight. And then on day two, the stuff that's in the bowl that's in the fridge goes into this silver thing here. I'll learn the name of it as I continue to study the instruction book. But all the ingredients go in here on day two. And then I put the top back on. Here's what the top looks like. I guess I pour the ingredients in there. And this is the mixer. This here. And this little gray button on the front, there's a gray button. You press that, and that's what that's what opens this here when I don't want to take the lid off. Oh my. There. Anyway, I'll learn as I go, my friends. Yes, but it's very exciting. A brand new toy for the kitchen. I'll press that button. Let's see what happens. Okay, that came off nice that time. Yes, so it's really exciting to have an ice cream maker, and I'm going to plug it in just to see if the motor works. So let's take a look at that next. I moved the ice cream maker just a little closer to my plug in the back there. So it's all set up and ready to go. And here comes the moment of truth. This little button here is what is supposed to turn this on. Let's take a little look and see what happens. Fingers crossed. And it works! It works! It works! That's very, very exciting. It actually works. Yay, this is fantastic. What a good day. That is such great news. I'm so happy that that works. I paid only $30 for the ice cream maker, and it works. I'm very, very thrilled. So my next step, of course, will be to continue reading in this manual, the instructions find out what ingredients that I'm going to need to make our first, second, and third batch of ice cream. And then we'll go from there. Boy, it's been a really great experience, actually. You know, I was a little nervous, as I mentioned earlier. I was a little nervous about buying something online for the very first time, and everything is fine. Everything is fine. I just have to get that really thoroughly cleaned up. I want to thank you, my friends, for joining us on this adventure. Just being able to buy something secondhand for such a low price and something that works. I took a bit of a risk, I know, but it works, and that'll be great. Josh and I will be having a lot of fun kitchen projects, learning how to make ice cream, and we'll include you all in our adventures, of course. And it's been great having you. Speaking of adventures, it's been great having you come along with us today. And if you like this vlog, please give us a YouTube thumbs up or press that subscribe button. That would be great. And we have more vlogs coming up, so stay tuned, and we'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon. Bye. Bye. I'm Michelle the Introvert, and I'm in the car, obviously, today, but in particular, I am parked in the stables. Hello, my little rays of sunshine. I just moved the machine here, the ice cream maker, a little closer to my plugs. I'll plug that in. I'll plug that in. I'll plug that in. Oh dear.